Since his advent in the international cricket arena, Jasprit Bumrah has been in news for his unconventional bowling action and on-target Yorkers. Due to his consistent and persistent hard work, he soon climbed the fame in the world bowling fraternity and is currently the best bowler in the one-day format of the game. Few of his qualities I have demonstrated in this video. His very first quality is he has a calm mind. Many times when he is hit for a 4 or 6, next delivery he comes out with a gem of a delivery. This is possible because he does not panic and keeps his mind calm in a tense situation, a rare ability for a fast bowler. He has always trusted with death over bowling in international matches as well as in IPL. This is because he has got the knack of bowling on target Yorkers and controlling the run rate. In real life, whenever we are trusted with a pressure situation, how do we react? Most of the time we panic and the task is not completed or completed unsatisfactory. We need to take this ability from Jasprit Bumrah about keeping a calm mind in a pressure situation. We might be blown away in some moments, but keeping a cool mind will provide you with options and let you focus on your strengths. Invariably, you will come out as a winner when you keep your cool and will be a preferred choice in your office and at home to perform a difficult task, which is undoubtedly rewarding. Having a calm mind is really very important, and if you want to learn this quality, you can watch How to Remain Always Happy. The second quality of Jasprit Bumrah is he is a match winner. Jasprit Bumrah has been trusted with death over bowling in IPL and in international matches due to his ability to bowl perfect Yorkers and control the run rate. He has proved time and again that he can be a match winner for India. We Indians always look at batsmen for a match-winning knock, but with Jasprit Bumrah now, we can always bank on bowlers winning the matches for us. Jasprit Bumrah has an uncanny ability to bowl in death overs. That is due to his faith in his ability. He loves to face good batsmen and tough conditions, and he cherishes that challenge and performs invariably every time. He takes on the challenge head on and sails through all the strategies made by the opposition. In real life, when we are faced with unfamiliar situation, what do? Mostly we run away from the challenges, mainly due to fear of failing. This is due to lack of faith in our ability and belief in ourselves to get up even if we fail. Life provides you ample opportunities, but if you don't take them because you are too busy getting ready for the opportunity or scared to fail, then opportunity will dry up. His next best ability is he is very humble. Jasprit Bumrah never boasts about his ability and always give credit to his seniors and trainers for his performance. When we listen to him about his performance, he never credits himself for his skills, but his teammates for winning the game. Such an attitude is very rare in a fast bowler. In life, when we do a certain job and people praise us for the job well done, do we credit ourselves or others who helped us achieve this feat? Jasprit Bumrah has taught us that we should always be humble and credit others for our achievements. This will make you very popular in professional as well as personal life. But remember this caveat, you have to genuinely be grounded and feel about others. Being humble is the quality of all great individuals. We all must learn this. You can watch my other video which will teach you how to be humble. His fourth and last best quality is he always helps others. Jasprit Bumrah is always seen helping youngsters to become better and improve their skills. He is also seen helping his co-bowlers to improve their performance so that everyone can contribute towards a winning performance. He understands the importance of team effort required to win games, and hence he supports his teammates to improve their performance as well. In real life, when we need to deliver as a team, what do? We always focus on our performance and not on performance of others. However, we should also work on helping our teammates excel in their performance to improve our chances of winning. Always think as a unit and performance as a team and not only yourself. Helping others add good karma. If you want to help others but are not getting the motivation, then you can watch my video how to start helping others. Jasprit Bumrah is a legend in making and has qualities that can be inspiring to everyone in real life.